guys, welcome back to another episode of Orange Couch Crush, the show where we sit down with fellow Davis colleagues and other industry leaders and ask them a few questions. You know, to try to get to know them better. Today, we're beyond thrilled to turn the spotlight to Jason Ewing from Firstech. Welcome to the Orange Couch.
Thanks for having me, guys. I appreciate it.
How long have you worked for Firstech?
I've been at Firstech for 4 years, and previous to that, I was at iDataLink for 8 or 9 years.
How comfortable is the Orange Couch on a scale from 1 to 10?
It's a little concerning. I'm not sure where this couch came from, but it's actually all right. I'll give it an 8.
So what was it like hanging out with Exhibit?
Oh, you guys know about Exhibit. Okay, so he's a really good guy, really intelligent, and he was high a lot, all the time, every day.
How did they pimp the car on Pimp My Ride?
How did we pimp it?
Yeah.
So there was a team of probably 30 people that nobody actually saw. Then we had 3 weeks to get it done. It was a combined effort, really. Exhibit wasn't there, obviously, when we were doing the car because we would never get anything done. But it was a fun experience. Yeah, so I was the electronics guy.
Oh, cool.
So I was like the white Mad Mike. Can I say that?
Do you have any special talents?
That I can say publicly? My big talent that I have is wiring and being able to understand what the circuits are doing and being able to integrate with that, which is why I'm in tech support at Firstech.
What's the favorite car that you've ever owned?
I have a lot of, actually it's probably my 4Runner. We talked about this on Facebook, on my Facebook page. I've had quite a few cars. I think at last count, it was like 52, but I want to say my 4Runner was probably my favorite vehicle of all time.
Why?
It was just built good. I mean, it was a good car to drive around. I mean, it was okay on gas. It was an off-road one, so I could go off-road if I wanted to. I don't think I ever really took it off-road though, but it was designed to do that.
If you could choose one song to play every time you walked into a room, what would you choose and why?
Because of my background, I'd probably have to be the Pimp My Ride song because everybody likes to bust my chops about it.
You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
But in reality, that's a really tough question. I'm Not Afraid by Eminem. That'd probably be my pick.
Any reason?
No, I guess because of my industry experience and what I've done, I've never been afraid to actually do a car. It may not have worked like I wanted it to, but I was never afraid to take a car apart or drill a hole in a Ferrari. It didn't bother me.
How would you explain remote start to a caveman?
It would be like that wheel that he designed, and I don't even know how to do this. Explain it. Remote start to a caveman. Holy cow, that's a good one. I really don't like whoever came up with this question. It would be like clapping your hands to start a fire.
Do you have a spirit animal, or if you could compare yourself to any animal, what would it be and why?
A spirit animal, or what would I compare an animal to? Probably a horse. Because I just get drug all over the place and I have to do what everybody tells me to do. And then I have random public people that will call on a tech support line, and I gotta kind of be nice to them and give them a ride on my back and, neigh every now and then.
Oh my. Favorite football team?
Steelers, come on. I live in Pittsburgh, of course it's the Steelers.
If you could have dinner with any famous person, dead or alive, who would you choose?
Ronald Reagan.
Why?
I don't know. He just seems like a cool dude. I'm a little older than some of the people asking these questions. I don't know. He was just kind of influential when I was a child and watching movies and things like that. Then seeing him become president. I don't know. That's one person I would probably pick.
What's a new Firstech product that you're feeling right now?
Oh, you're asking me about the new thing that you guys aren't supposed to know about yet. This is actually called a Drone XC. I actually have one right here. This is the first time it's been out of the office. This is it here. This is our new drone with a camera built in it, or it's a camera with a drone built in it. We have a really nice video that we have made for it. This is a game changer right here. This completely changes the whole dash cam experience in a car. So basically what we've done is we've given you the ability with our drone app to stream live video from the car at any time. So this is really something we've been working on for months. We've started testing it in the field currently, and we're looking to be out here shortly anytime soon. Let me take it out of the box for you guys so to show you how big it is. So this is our new dash cam. It's actually going to mount to the window like this, and this is the actual camera here. On the back side of it is a way to adjust the camera. It's like a little rolling device. So you can actually turn the camera and adjust it to your field of view that you like the best. It does come with a secondary mount. This is all that mounts to the vehicle, is the mount. And it very simply locks into this, locks in, and then there's a piece here that covers the SIM card and the SD card, and it also has a security screw in it, so no one can just come and yank it out of the car. Wiring is gonna go out the top. We do include 2 adapters that make it a little bit longer or shorter. And then on this side, which is facing the inside, you do have a Wi-Fi button and a dedicated record button. So it's embedded in the new drone app. Once you get one of these, you guys can actually view it live.
What's the very first job you had, and what got you into 12-volt?
That's actually a great question. I actually started working at a car audio shop in 1989. My first job there was to sweep the floor and put the tools away. I literally worked there to be able to buy car audio products. So I would sweep the floor after high school. I was still in high school, as my senior year. I would sweep the floor, put the tools away. I would help them hold things, or help them, you know, like, I don't know, go get a box and bring it in and unpack it. And I don't know, I just liked everybody and what they were doing. It would just seem like it was such a cool thing for me that I wanted to stay in it.
Metal, country, or rap?
Metal.
Who's your favorite band?
My favorite band. All right, so currently my favorite band is probably Shinedown. I've been to their last 5 concerts that they've been here at the Star Lake. Overall favorite, I don't know, I was a big Dr. Dre person back in the day. Yes, I used to have parachute pants at one point, and I used to break dance, or try to break dance.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
100% dog person.
Do you have any bad experiences with cats?
Not necessarily cats, no, but I just like dogs. They're more fun. They pay attention to me.
What's your best sales pitch for selling remote starts in the Virgin Islands?
Do they have cars in the Virgin Islands? It gets really hot in the Virgin Islands, so I would say they probably never turn their air conditioning off. So that would be my pitch, is I can remote start your car and turn your air conditioning on for you.
All right, Jason, thank you so much for joining us on the Orange Couch Crush.
I appreciate you guys having me here, I really do. I'll be back round 2 later.